Hello, EDU289. I just wanted to come back and do another very quick video, shorter than our first one, to talk about some upcoming things that are happening in our course. So if we scroll down, hopefully you have had a chance to print off your course calendar. Like I said in the introductory video, this calendar keeps us all very organized throughout the semester. When you click on it, you will notice that Waiting for Superman is coming up very soon as an assignment that is due. Your reflection paper is due by midnight on Friday, January the 18th. Everybody has completed their MOCA. Fabulous. Thank you for that. So if you haven't already, you want to sit down and you want to start watching Waiting for Superman. I already have some submissions already of reflection papers, so I'm looking forward to reading those and reviewing what you think about that very controversial, debatable documentary. So if you have already done that, the beauty of an online course is that you don't have to necessarily follow the course calendar. You can kind of work at your own pace. Of course, the most important thing being that you get everything in on time and by the due date. That's the most important thing. So hopefully if you have done your documentary viewing, if you've done your reflection paper, you have started reading your articles in topic 4. And you can just go ahead and read kind of at your own pace. Just always keep in mind, those due dates, what you've got coming up, so that you don't miss a due date by accident. So also, I will not be coming on every week and doing these videos. I just think it's really, really important, especially at the very beginning of a semester, to make sure that you guys have are comfortable with the course Moodle. You kind of know what the flow is going to be of the semester, and also know how important it is when you're taking an online class to check your email every day. Reach out to me through that Remind app. Several of you already have. That is a great resource for us to keep in contact, and a great way for me to answer your questions really quickly, or concerns if you have them. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, if you'll go back up and look at your course syllabus, let me show you right here. It says my contact number, it says text the @ GADD3B to 81010 to sign up for Remind. That way we don't exchange phone numbers, but you have a way to text me, and you also have a way to receive my group text that I send out as little reminders. I will have to say I just got an email from the Remind app saying that if you have a cell phone service through Verizon, which I do, you absolutely have to download the app. Whereas before you didn't have to download the app, you could just get the text. Now you have to download that app. It is free. It's not a big deal. Just download the app, and that way your messages will be sent to that app instead of a direct text message. So be sure you do that if you have Verizon service. So I hope you guys all are having a great start to your semester. I hope that you've gone through and you've looked at your course Moodle for 289. You see that this class is a little bit different. It is a 2-credit class. So it's not going to take quite as much of your time this semester as maybe a 3-credit or a 4-credit class will. However, don't take it for granted. Make sure that you know those due dates. Make sure that you know what's due and when. If you have questions, reach out to me, and I'm always happy to help you. I was so excited to get my roster. There were several of you who I've taught before, and I'm so looking forward to working with you guys again. And for our new people, welcome. You're probably not new to SCC if you're taking this 200 level class, but maybe we have not met before. So I'm looking forward to getting to know you and working with you as well. So hope everybody has a great week. And again, I will not come on every week, I promise, with these videos. But I just do want to make sure that everybody is on pace, on track. If you have questions or concerns, reach out to me. I'm here to help you. Have a great week.